So there is a little tutorial for those who don't know how to take out old seal from this seal holder and to put new one in place of this. So it is an analog of my seal. So I took out from here. This is a little ring that was inside of this. Hop, was here, and this was old seal. It was here. This ring was something like here. So I took out this ring, this little ring. If you see here, this little ring, I took out it. I put a new seal in place of this. And now I'm bending this corner to fix this seal. And after I will put it something like this. And after I will bend those corners inside and I will fix this one. It will be a pretty strong construction and it will be here. Yeah! Yes, bros. Finally, I finished assembling this seal, and now remains just to put it here and done. I mean, with one of them. Okay, so a short tutorial about disassembling right seal of Pannonia engine. So it is a seal holder. I just took out this ring. This was the seal. I took out it. It was here. This ring. Like this. This ring was like this here, and this one holds all construction together, all this. So I took out this one by bending this corner outside. I took out this seal with this ring. I'm putting here this new brand new seal, putting it in place of previous one. I will put something at in this place, in this empty place. I will put something like a rubber ring, and I put it on the top of this seal, and I will bend this corner inside. So this will be my new restored seal. So guys, finally I cleaned out this crankshaft. I made a gaskets. So there are two of them, and already restored, and those seals, and already put here a new bearings. there are one of this. There are two bearings, 1 and 2. So I took out the bearing seal. This, if you see this blue thing, there is a bearing seal that I took out because I thought it could make damage an engine if I will leave it inside. So I took out, but this one I leave it alone because I think it could not make any damage. And these two I left them, but this there I removed them. So it remains just to put anything, crankshaft, racks, shafts, and to put here hermetic and gasket, and to combine it together, assemble it together. Look at this. I put here new gasket and I hermetized this with silicone, and now I'm going to put this half of a block and combine them together. So I'm really excited. So maybe tomorrow I will try to start this engine. I'm extremely tired, but I have assembled this engine and now I can show it to you. So look at this. So I have found the better racks I could have, the best ones I could have for this. Oh, focus, you motherfucker! Focus! Yes. So I have found the best racks I could have for this gearbox without any different movements, wobbles. So here I need to assemble clutch system, and here wiring system, and here the cylinder kit with piston. So let's go.